Hello, girls. So I was just taping, just to say hello. Oh, wait, somebody's here at the door.
Oh, let me sound the signal.
Who is it?
Hi.
It's Katie. Come on up.
Wow.
Oh, hey.
Guys, thanks for buzzing me in.
Oh, you're welcome. Oh, sure.
That's pretty cool.
Oh, I'm so glad you're here. Oh, Ginny,
We just made dinner and we set you a plate. So how can we
for dinner. Yeah.
Oh, here's our
Oh, here's our pictures. Oh, in our kitchen? Oh, our kitchen. Yeah.
My favorite. You knew that.
That's right. Raw cookie
Oh, man.
Yummy. Oh.
Wow, my favorite.
It's
Wait, we
nice.
didn't pray yet, Steph.
Oh.
Okay. Well, let's eat later. I want to show you something.
Oh, but here's our kitchen. There it is. Boop.
And you can. Okay. I'll be singing. They should probably come sit here in our living room.
Oh, with us on that.
Yeah.
Yeah, right there.
Right there. It's good over here.
Look.
Wherever you want.
And play
Right?
Super Nintendo. Ding, ding.
One of our favorite pastimes.
Holla. That's right. Oh, wait, Steph, what is this?
Oh, I just happened to walk by this. Well, you see, this is beautiful potpourri. What is that? I hand glued each piece in for our lovely decoration.
Wow.
Oh, what do you know? What? Who's that? Me? Oh. Oh.
Gracie. 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 Oh, yeah.
Should we?
What?
Should we show them?
Go in our room?
That was good. Oh, where's my bed? I haven't seen it in so long. Jenny, do you know where my bed is?
I don't know.
I can't find it.
It's not big or anything.
Where could it be? Oh, there's my bed. Here it is. So if you can sleep over, you could probably have this whole thing to yourself. Right here. You meant to do that, right, Katie? Oh, let's look at this picture.
Me and friends. I don't know who that is.
Rosie.
Might be you.
Rosie. Might be you. Might be you. That's hilarious.
Ooh, look at this thing. What is this, Ginny?
Oh, you know, I whittle. In my
What do you know?
She whittles wood.
That's what I did. Here's everybody, though. In Michigan, minus Crystal, but she's on the wall, so it's okay.
Oh, great.
See? So I love you, girls.
Oh,
That's from our
people you don't
holidays
know.
party. Oh, wait. I made this.
You're probably wondering what it is.
I made it. It's an earring holder.
She whittles and
Oh, Steph.
I probably want to see my nephew.
There's Jonathan. He's a month old. Or Noah.
Or Noah, I sometimes call him.
Sometimes she forgets her nephew's name.
I don't know. Noah.
I have to go pee, do you?
Oh. I mean, no, you can go. What? We don't pee together. I have to go
anything.
Okay.
Everyone pee. Oh, I'll just film from the top up.
Do this.
Don't worry. I'm good at videotaping.
So this is really awkward, but their mirror is pretty special. You can see every flaw in your face.
Oh, I hate it.
Let's look at Steph's flaws.
See the wrinkles, pimples.
Actually, she looks pretty good.
Oh, Mary Kay.
Oh. That was fun.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, can we see your shower?
Oh,
look at it!
Okay. Oh, that's a bad idea. Here we are in the shower.
I have to blow my nose.
Oh, Ashley said this next paper out.
What is this room? I like this room.
What?
Smells good in here.
Sure. Woo! Oh, there's so much space in our office.
This is Steph. Little desk.
There's my little
I like
desk
to poke boys from her.
on my Facebook.
Can't do it now.
Ow.
My
Throat.
Oh. Okay, I made this mirror with ribbons and buttons and cloth. Oh, look, we're all in it now.
Aww.
Say hi to the new stuff.
Hello. I'm like looking in there.
I know.
Okay.
This is my desk.
Oh, this is where Jenny. Show them what you do. Show them how you talk to them on Skype.
This is what I do on Skype. Oh, look, everybody's talking.
Aw,
Who's
talking?
talking? Kirsten, Catherine, and
Slow down, I can't read it. Oh,
Kirsten, and Catherine,
Fun.
and Kirsten and Catherine.
And there's her house, woods,
Mm-hmm.
her Valentine's. Okay. Love, live, and laugh. That's what she does. Ladies and gentlemen. She's loving. She's living. She's laughing. Oh, who's up here? Maybe I can zoom in. How do we do this?
There they are.
How cute.
Holla.
Aw. Gracie again. Bald? Bald. Bald? Okay. Aww.
That's all.
I'm excited for that cookie dough dinner.
Cookie doughs are great. What? Cookie doughs?
We're gonna go eat some cookie doughs. It was fun hanging out with you for the last 8 minutes. We have an attic too. Maybe we'll show you next time.
Mm-hmm.
Mwah.
Scary.
Bye. We love you.